Hi everyone, it's Sadia. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. So kind of instead of a review, I'm basically going to be talking about how you can get high-end makeup for affordable prices. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to basically be talking about some websites which you can get high-end makeup for affordable prices. So the first website's Rulala. It's basically an online boutique. You can go to www.rulala.com. And basically you can get high-end makeup for affordable prices. They have Anastasia Beverly Hills, Urban Decay, Benefit, Becca, and Kevyn Aucoin. I saw Kevyn Aucoin bronzer for about $31. That's about $21 off the retail price, so that's a really great deal. However, the problem with Rulala is that their customer service is not that great, and it's really hard to get a return. Okay, so the next site is Glambot. So Glambot's my favorite site to buy, high makeup for affordable prices. So basically, people can buy and sell their makeup through Glambot. Glambot will repackage it and will resell it for, for a cheaper price. They also have a clearance sale. So I saw a melt stack for about, I believe, $14. So that was a really great price. I didn't get it though because I didn't think I needed it, but yeah. So the problem with Glambot is that you don't know how long the person had the product for. You don't know if it's expired. It could be swatched, a little bit could be damaged. But yeah, all right. So the third website where you can buy, affordable makeup through is Beauty Bay. So Beauty Bay is basically originated from the UK, and it's basically a UK site, and you can buy high-end makeup for affordable prices. They often have high-end makeup on sale. So for instance, Viseart, I saw a palette for about $50, and that's $30 off the retail, so it's a really great deal. The problem with Beauty Bay is that the shipping is pretty slow, the tracking is really slow, and it's really hard to get a hold of customer service. All right. Another great website where you can buy high-end makeup from is like Macy's online. So Macy's often has makeup on sale. I recently saw a Carly Baybel Anastasia eyeshadow for about $31 on Macy's. However, the problem is that actually there is no problem. Okay, so yeah, those are just some of the websites where you can get high-end makeup for affordable prices. All right, so now I'm going to talk about some apps where you can buy and sell makeup through. All right, so the first one's Mercari. I love buying things from Mercari. Basically, it offers a platform for people to buy and sell makeup through. They also offer shipping through USPS. And it's a really great place where you can buy high-end makeup for affordable prices. However, the problem is that these items can be used, they can be swatched, they can be damaged. Another thing is that you don't know how long the person had the item for. It might not be authentic. Excuse me. And yeah, but basically their customer service is really great. If your item is lost in transit or damaged, they will gladly give you a refund, and their customer service is very prompt. The second app is Poshmark. Poshmark is a platform where people can buy and sell makeup through. They offer shipping through USPS, and often they have a lot of new makeup compared to Mercari. So the bad things about Poshmark is that their customer service is pretty slow in responding to things. It's really hard to get a refund because sometimes they'll side with the seller, and often even if they side with you, you'll just get like a credit, so you won't even get a full refund. Often their tracking is very slow and their shipping is extremely expensive. Okay, so the last, another app is Depop. So basically this app is originated from London, and again, it's a platform that offers users to buy and sell makeup through. They offer shipping through USPS, and they give you really great prices. However, the problem is that it's really hard to get a hold of customer service if you want a return or a refund. And shipping is kind of slow. The tracking, it doesn't update very well. So that's kind of the problem with Depop. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video for more makeup related content. You can subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and stay beautiful.